Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another vlog. So today it is, what day is it? It's Thursday today. Today I dropped the kids off at nursery and school, and I went to Aldi just to grab a few things, nappies, orange juice. That was the only two things on my list, but obviously you cannot go to these shops without buying a load more. So let me show you what I got. I picked up some orange juice. That was on my list. I found these breads. They are focaccia, and they are so soft. Look how like soft and fluffy they are. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to have this with something. I don't even know. I think they're like split in the middle as well, so you can make sandwiches out of them, or like paninis or something like that. But I am so excited to try these because they just look and feel so nice. Next, I picked up these for my salads. This is Sweetie Drop red peppers, and they are so delicious. They just have like a really nice sweet tangy flavour, and they're just so yummy to add to salads. And then I picked up a pizza for the kids, and then I've never seen this one before, so I thought I'd pick this up as well. It's mozzarella and basil, and it is sourdough stone baked, so I thought one day I will have this and it will be delicious. I picked up some tomatoes, some lazy jacket potatoes, some mini family favourite ice lollies. These are so, let me show you actually how small they are. Like, I didn't even need to buy them, but because my friend had these at her house the other day, I was like, I need to get some. Look how small they are, literally like the size of my finger. Tiny, so cute. They have those ones, they have those little tiny fabs, and they've also got like the fully sprinkled ones in there as well. And then I got some Fox's Fabulous Viennese white chocolate dipped fingers. Oh, don't they look so delicious. And then I picked up a box of tissues for my bedroom. I picked up some cherry blossom toilet roll. I don't know why you'd need cherry blossom toilet roll, but I got some cherry blossom toilet roll. I got some squidgy pouches for the kids, 2 packs of those, and I got also some tube yogurt for Elisa. And the last thing I got were some nappies, and that is everything that I got. So I'm gonna go put it away. I have so many little bits and pieces that I need to do today, like filming a few videos. I need to send some emails. I have work today as well, so yeah. I also need to put towels away and put a wash on as well. So I'm gonna just get started and do everything that I need to do. I just got back from picking Issa up from nursery, and I also stopped at B&M and got this bag of stuff. I'm not actually going to show you on this video. I'm going to do a live Instagram video now, but I'm posting it as an IGTV, so if you want to see that, go follow me on my Instagram, guys, at SafsLife. I know that some of you guys didn't have Instagram, so you guys, you just need to get Instagram to follow me. I'm going to go and do that now, but I have got work at 3 o'clock. It is now 2 o'clock, so I'm literally just going to go live for like 15 minutes, show all this stuff, do a little test. I've got water here. I bought like a sponge thing, and I'm going to do a test of this sponge on the Instagram live, and we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I will see you after work, because I won't be vlogging before that, because I'm just going to get ready after I've done my live. But anyway, I'll see you in a little while. Good evening, everybody. So I have just had a very stressful iftar and evening. It's just been crazy. So I basically dropped my J2O all in my stir fry, and I also dropped a bottle of soy sauce all over the floor. It literally, like, the lid popped off and then it went all over the floor, like it glugged out bad. But I managed to clean it all up. I managed to mop the floor. I cleaned it all up with wipes and elbow grease and everything. Scrubbed the wall. It literally went everywhere, like everywhere. If you follow me, guys, you need to follow me on Instagram, because Instagram is basically an extension of my vlogs. If you want to keep up with everything that's happening before you see it on YouTube, then you guys need to, like, I was just saying it earlier, like, follow me on Instagram, but I think you guys need to follow me on Instagram basically, because it is an extension of my vlogs, because I just show random things that I don't show in my vlogs on Instagram, because I'm always like, it's just basically in my hand all the time. So you do see a lot of other things than what you see on YouTube. So yeah, so follow me on Instagram at SafsLife. You know, links in the description of this video. But before I end today's video, which is going to be a proper short video because I really didn't film anything, did I? Today has just been a really crazy day. It's just been like one thing after the other and work, and it's just been like, oh, stressful. I've just had my evening coffee, which I need to stay awake because I need to do some editing. I need to like sort out loads of stuff. I need to pray my tarawih. I like to get things done. I like to kind of make things happen. You know, you're not going to get anywhere in life if you don't make the things happen that you want to happen. So yeah, like some days are really stressful, and then some days are just like, you just love life. But today was one of those ones where it started off where I was loving everything. It was just like I was so happy in the morning, and then it was just got like one thing happened after the other. And then the cherry on top was just the fact that I dropped J2O in my food, and I dropped soy sauce everywhere, like on my walls, on my floor, everything. So yeah, I've got a package from Amazon which I haven't opened yet. I know what's in it because I literally ordered it like 2 days ago. This came in the post the other day. These are products that I've ordered them from Amazon like many times because they're the things that I use all the time. I picked up another, what is this called again? Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser. If you're interested, I picked up the shade Nude. That is like the colour that I always get. Oh, I don't like that. It's just gone sticky because there was a sticker on there and I peeled it off. Gross. Anyway, I always pick this up from Amazon because it's literally like half the price than it is in Boots and Superdrug. And then I also got another one of my favourite lash mascara. It's the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect, and I love this stuff so much. It's so good. So I picked up one of these each, and these are like my go-to every single day makeup, like 2 of them anyway. So yeah, I will leave the links for these in the description of this video. These are going to be affiliate links, as I always say, so I will get like a tiny bit of the profit if you buy it. But yeah, that's it really. So I'm going to end this video now because I need to get loads of editing and stuff like that done. So I'm gonna say goodbye. I hope you guys are having a really good last 10 days of Ramadan. Like for me, it's been very stressful, but you know, inshallah it will get better, and you know, things always do, you know. You just need to carry on and to stay strong. So, you know, so I will speak to you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.